Post Malone, more like roast Malone. You guys already know who he is. I don't need to explain about him. Let's just jump right into it. So for the chords, I'm gonna demonstrate it with this guitar. For this beat, I'm just doing it in I'm doing it in F sharp minor because it's like, you know, it's like on the F key, but not on the F key, but like right next to the F key. So yeah, let's just yeah. So you start off like ooh, yeah, that's out of tune. Wait. What was the next chord? Speaking of guitar, Post Malone does like to use guitars in some of his tracks. All I did was I played this. Then I like chopped it up, as you can see, like right here, just to make it unnatural. So I don't know. Oh yeah, then you add a bass. Oh, add that slide too. I don't know. I thought it sounded cool. I usually start off with the beat, but this time we're just gonna start with the instrument because I just feel like it. So basically for the piano, you know, like I played it like this. So this is the coolest part of the track, like literally just watch this. Alright, then I added a pad. Wait a minute. Doesn't that pad sound kind of familiar? Oh yeah, then I added like this thing. I just found it. I put a gross beat on it too. Then your 808, like, it's not too much to ask, you know? Ooh, that's very thick. Wait, why did I add two 808s? What? And then, yeah, there's like some synths he uses, but like, you don't want to overdo it, like. Then I added this weird thing, I don't know why I did. So now for the beat, you're gonna want like good samples. And speaking of good samples, shout out to Cymatics for sponsoring this video. They just released this cool posty hip hop sample pack and it sounds really dope. I'd say 95% of the track was made just with this sample pack. You can download it for free in the link description down below. So yeah, get your Cymatics samples. So for the beat, first you will start off with the kick, you know. Then the snare. Then you can add like another clap. Wait, what the fuck is this? Oh yeah, then you need your weird hi-hats. Then for like the second part, when it gets more intense, you make the hi-hats go more insane. And oh, that's where I used it. Okay, these sprinkles are too much. This is way too many sprinkles. So like Post Malone lyrics aren't like very complicated, you know, like it's just like, you know, the drugs, the weapons. He likes money, fame. Also put memes too, and Bentleys and nice things. Pretty much sing stuff you like. That's basically Post Malone. Okay, so now like this vocal style, like, oh shit, like my mic is not even plugged. Well, why am I even trying to give you an example? So how Post Malone raps, rap, sing, sap. Yeah, how Post Malone saps, like, he uses autotune, but it's not like overly done, kind of like how most rappers do it. You know, they kind of like, oh yeah. Like, you actually have to try to sing in tune, and that's really bad for me. Basically, yeah, try to sap to give you like some ideas. He uses like this weird pitch run thing, kind of like, you know, it goes like, oh And then he like does this intense vibrato. Yeah! He uses a vocoder a lot. Not a lot, I mean sometimes. Never seen memes like these. You sing higher too, like you actually try to sing higher like, oh my god, yeah! So basically the track is done. I'm gonna sap for you guys. Basically it's called Meme Star. So yeah, get ready guys.
I tell him stop making these shitty memes. Man, you got stuck all over 2014. Slapping text on JPEGs and PNGs. Damn, I ain't never seen memes like these. Yeah, you know he's trying to flex through. Fucking don't know who you missing, dude. Shitting on channels to get views. Yeah, can't come up with anything new. I clapped twice, now you did. How you feeling now? Leaving fast, keep up, won't take it slow. 100,000 in my pocket, all from dank memes. That's going to my cringe compilation. Oh yeah, boy, makes me go yeah, boy. I do it all night, boy. I can't blame me 'cause I make the thing go nose look like golden hose, take a fire, yeah. Spend my last paycheck on last on months alone, yeah. 300 packs of tight, I feel like Pody. Rolling out purple Billies, rolls and Maseratis. Got that bongo, get that shit is so old. Pulling out your own Smith feels like pyro. Got your wife, it's on your gun to knuckles, ayy. Smash like a ticket, ship to Mars, Elon, let's go, ayy. I tell him stop making these shitty memes. Man, you got stuck all over 2014. Slapping text on JPEGs and PNGs. Damn, I ain't never seen memes like these. Yeah, these lyrics make no sense. Legends say they bought Ableton the next. Broke up with my ex, here's her number. Psych, that's the wrong number.